Unattended self-service car wash. Guoxiang high-end customization. Unattended front machine plus tunnel car washing machine. Start the car wash machine by scanning the code. Enter the pre-machine for vehicle pre-washing. After 360 rotating high-pressure water. Then enter the double flat tunnel car washing machine. Scrub, wax, air dry, wiping and other workflows. Then complete the car wash. And it works well after drying. Save labor. Large brush, fully wrapped non-dead, angle tilt cleaning body. Top brush lift cleaning, smooth operation without jumping. Small brush, cleaning skirt. Guoxiang blow drying system. Guoxiang Drying System.